if you come to CRM basics, first thing master data. Okay, master data. So in the master data, we have a different types of master data like org master data. Then we have a product master data. Then we have a partner master data. So you have a huge list of master data. So first thing I'm going to cover the master data. Then I will come to the transactions. Okay, in the transaction management we can see sales order configuration, service order configuration, then marketing. Okay, so if you come to business transaction point of view, sales order, service order, then sales agreement, sales agreement, service agreement, then sales opportunity, service opportunity, lead, quotation. So these are all will come under the business transactions. Okay, so then most of the things some point. Okay, then configuration, view configuration. Okay, then view configuration, then business roles, then AEG, then okay, most of the things I am going to covering these things only. See here, if you come to master data, for example, we have a organization. Okay, if you come in any of the organization, how you are going to design the org structure of that company. So then how they are going to defining the position, how they are going to create the responsibility of that position. So then how you are going to assign the login user to that position. Then if you come to security PFCG roles. Okay, PFCG roles. Okay, so how to create a PFCG role for that every position, how they are going to assign to the login user. Okay, so then what else? Then if you come to marketing, okay, in the marketing I'm going to cover campaign, then segment. Okay, so okay, then segment. Okay, marketing attributes I'm going to cover. So most of these are the things in functionality wise I am covering. Okay, so especially as a end user point of view, so it's very easier, but if you come to as a consultant level, we have to do lot of configuration and all. Just I will log screen and show you. Okay, see here we have a SAP logon. Okay, see through this logon we need to log into any of the server. The training institute will provide you server details and all. Okay, this is the SAP GUI screen. Okay. Especially, okay, in CRM, one advantage is that we can use GUI screen as well as web client UI screen. Okay, SAP says, before introducing the web client UI screen, they are introducing the GUI screen. Now SAP says no need to use the GUI screen, better to use web client UI screen. Okay, see, actually, especially in CRM, everything, if you want to do anything, it's a transaction. Okay, and especially for example, if you want to create a component or if whatever you want to do through transaction code only, we are going to execute. See, this is called as a command prompt. Here, for example, I will tell you one transaction code CRM_UI. So this is one of the transaction codes. Okay, see, we need to log in. Okay, business. Okay, here it will display business roles. Okay, business role is nothing but, suppose if you are a login user, once you log in, what are all the responsibility, roles and responsibility you have, only those you can access. So here they are providing the list of business roles. For example, if we come to service order, we need to select the service business role. Continue. Okay, see here, this screen called as a CRM web client UI screen for service order. Okay, see here, this shape is there, right? SAP CRM. This part and this part is this called as a yellow shape. Okay, this is never changed. We can customize everything except this bar. This is a persistent screen. Okay, this is called work centers. Okay, see here first we can see we have a home option here. Okay, these are all called as the home, work list, calendar, EMA. So these are all called as a work centers. Okay, we can customize this also. I mean, what are all the end user wants, we can provide only those customizing. Remaining thing we can disable it. Okay, see here. Okay, if we come to sales, okay, you can. Okay, this is a common screen for sales service. Whatever the applications you are going to run, this view is common. Only the content is different. Okay, see here. If you come to service order, okay, you can see some list. I mean, service confirmation, service order. Okay, product, service letter, something you can see. See, these are all in menus. Okay, this is a work center. Okay, this is a work center. I mean, these are all called as a in menus. Work center link groups. If you click here service order, it will directly take you to the service order search page. See here, if you want to search any of the existing service order, you can click on search. It will display here. If you want to create a new service order, we can click on the new button here. Here, see, if you click existing service order, it will take you to the overview page. It will take you to the overview page. See, this is the overview page of the service order. Okay, see here. Okay, these are all called as assignment blocks. These are all called as assignment blocks. Okay, these are all the assignment blocks. Okay, this is okay. See here, this is called as a lazy loader. Okay, if you click when you this is okay some small customizing. If you want to display expanded or hidden means we have an option. Based on that, it will display. Okay, this is the overview page. If you come to any of the service order or service request, it consists of these are all the basic data. I mean, it will contain the general information. Okay, and one more thing, IBase here you can see, right? This is one of the master data, IBase. Okay, here actually, see if you come to any of the business transaction like sales order, service order, I mean opportunity, quotation, these are all developed based on the one order framework. So one order framework is nothing but we can see header information. Okay, this is called as a header information. This information. Then we have an item. What?
I didn't get you. What did you just say? This is called what?
Wait, 1 minute. That is called as a header. Okay, actually, if you take any of the service order developed by using the one order framework, basically one order framework contains the header information as well as the item information. In the header information, we can see general data like sold to party, shipped to party, then contact person, then status information, dates, warranty. So this will come under the header data, header information. Okay, if you come to item information.
Can you please spell that for me?
Which one?
I don't know if it's order or it's something else. I'm not getting that word.
Okay, see here. If you come to any business transaction, okay, for example, sales order or service order, these transactions are developed by using the one order framework.
One order framework.
One order framework. Okay, one order framework is basically it consists of header information and item information. Okay, if you take any business transaction, sales order, service order, then quotation, then lead, contract or agreement, whatever it may be, all these business transactions are consist of developed by using the one order framework at the technically back end. So if you come to UI level, you can see that one. So this is the header information. Okay, this part called as a header information. Okay, this part is called as a item information. Okay, so item information basically it will contain the prices, then item, I mean product categories, products, then price, everything they are going to maintain in the item level. Okay, so I mean this, suppose if you enter this product, automatically these values will come. I mean net value, category, everything it will come automatically here. This everything based on the customizing. Okay, so this is one of the biggest tasks in the at the back end. They are going to do customizing. Okay, so I mean to say, for example, when you create any transaction, here we can see org data. I mean, which sales organization you are going to say, I mean, which sales organization, service organization involved while creating this transaction. Okay, this is the customizing data. It will come automatically. Okay, so then if you, okay, see here we have an option here, personalize. If you click this personalize button, we can customize the views. I am looking for one view here. For example, parties involved. Okay, here for example, if you want to add any of the additional views, just you have to select it and click on this button. Automatically it will move. Then save. Okay, here you can see. See, here we have an assignment block code. Yeah.
I think I mean you are going a bit too forward. I need to understand the basics also. What about the master data? How does it work? So
see, I mean, okay, yeah, I see here.
I am not aware of SAP that much. I know I've done CRM a bit, but this SAP thing is entirely new to me. So how do I create this? How do I work on this? Where does this come from?
Okay. See, this is what a demo class. Okay, this is not a class. Okay, see, just I am going to telling you brief what are all these things. I mean, include by using creating the header. When you start the class, now we need to start from the scratch only. Thing is that we need to start from the basics. How to create this business partner. Okay, then how to create this order. Then we have to start from the scratch everything. Now just I am explaining briefly how we are, I mean, what are all these things and all. Okay, it is not a class, just a demo I am explaining. Okay, when you start from the scratch, we need to do from everything from the scratch. Okay, so now I am telling this. Okay, this is how CRM screen look like. These are all the assignment block we can see while creating the orders. Everything we can see these things and all. So thingy, when you start the class, we have to do it from everything from the scratch. I mean, how to create the master data.
But the points you're going through, I mean, I'm not able to grab little bit of that because it's going just a random view of that. I just want to please understand what I'm trying to learn from SAP CRM. Not just
Okay. Yeah, see here, I know you are new to SAP CRM. Thing is that, see, this is what, I mean, this is not a class, this is just a demo. Okay. So, I mean, I know how to cover all the things, and because you know, I mean, first of all, first day you are saying the SAP screen, I have to understand your, I mean, you are new to SAP. So, don't worry, I will cover, I mean, if you once you join, we have to start from the scratch, everything from the, so we need to start from the scratch only. I mean, how the master data they are going to create, then what is the transaction data, what is the org data. So we have to do it from the scratch. So this is how SAP screen look like. Simply I am explaining, that's all. Okay. So thing is that if you want to start means, I mean, we have to start from the basics of basics only. Okay. So yeah, I mean, for time being, just I'm explaining the overview, that's all. This is how CRM screen look like. I mean, so this is how we are going to personalize the button. Just I'm brief. I'm going to explain it. Thing is that if we come to, we need to start from the basics from master data only. Okay, this will come at the end. Okay. See, okay. So now, for example, if you want to create any master data, I mean, for example, this is the service order. Just consider this is service process. Here we can see sold to party is the master data. If you want, okay, first thing, if you want to create the master data, here we have accounts. Okay, from this account, we need to create the master data. Okay, here we can see contact person is one of the master data. If you want to create a new master data, here we have an option called new. From new, we can create a contact. For example, we can create, I will create my name only with ID. See here, Actually, when you create a first thing, when you create any of the contact person, first thing here red mark indicates, right? I hope you know this is the mandatory data fields. We can give whatever the dates you want. See here, once you enter the general data here, okay, just you have to enter. Okay, see here in SAP CRM system, everything we consider as a business partner, like sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, then payer, buyer. These are all the roles. If you want to create any of the master data, contact person, or whatever it may be you want to create, after creating this, we need to maintain the role here. See, some error is displaying here. Date is a future, please. Okay. 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 Into date is. Okay, see here, once you enter this data, automatically the role will come. Based on this role only, they are going to decide. I mean, how, as the thing is that, see, especially as a functional consultant, no need to worry about as a end user. Your work is you have to do in the back end only. Everything is you have to do in the back end. I mean, in the SPRO, if see here, we have one more transaction called SPRO. Through this, you are going to do customizing everything here. I mean, here actually, if you want to do master data customizing for especially CRM, we have a one CRM. See here, we have a master data. If you want to do configuration here, we have to do all these things. See, if you come to org data, we have to do org data configuration here. Okay, if you come to territory management, you have to do territory management here, configuration here. Okay, especially, so this is especially for end user task. Whatever you are going to do, this is actually done by end users. I mean, you are not a end user. You have to work as a consultant, means you have to know these things. Okay, if you come to here, where is that option? Okay, CRM, master data, marketing, then accounts, then transactions, then billing, rebate processing. So these are all the especially, functional consultant, they are going to concentrate on these things only. As an end user, they are going to do concentrate on these things only. So, okay, this is how I am going to cover in CRM system. Okay, so first thing, we need to do customizing. How they are going to customizing, you have to bring to the UI. Then, what are all the gaps we are going to fill when the customer give the requirements and all. So those things I am going to cover. First class, I hope you are not understanding anything. So when you start from the scratch, then only you will understand. If you, okay, at the back end, if you want to create any of the orders, then we can use the CRMD underscore order transaction code like this we are going to use. See here, at the back end also we can create a orders by using these transaction codes. Yeah. Hello, Jyoti. Jyoti? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? 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 Hello?
Can you hear me?
Hello? Hello? Hello, Jyoti, can you hear me? Hello? Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, hello Jyoti, I'm not able to hear you. If you can you hear me? Okay. Okay, fine. Oh, okay, fine then. Yeah, Jyoti, so thing is that see here now today actually it's a demo class, that's why I'm moving from here to there. Okay, I mean once you start the class, if you're interested to join CRM as a functional, I can don't say I'm able to I mean what are all the basic things, because I worked on a couple of implementation projects and all, so I'm going to share whatever I have done my previous projects and all, what I am doing currently in my current project also. So thing is that I mean basically what I will do, if you come to CRM basics, we have some SAP standard material. I'm going to share you those things. I'm going to explain you with hands-on experience. Okay, I'm going to do exercise with hands-on. I mean how to create master data, HORG data, I mean transaction data, then how we are going to do pricing configuration, I mean partner determination, then contract determination, agreement determination, then HORG data determination. So these are all come under the basics. If you come to transaction, then in the I'll tell you how they are going to customize the header information, item information. Then I mean how they are going to integrate with the loyalty. Then if you come to marketing, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to explain you how to create the campaigns, how to create the segments, how to create the profiles, then attributes. If you come to product master data, then I mean product hierarchy, product categories, attribute sets, then how they are going to differentiate the product, sales product, service product, material, then while creating the service order, how they are going to transfer this data to ERP with I mean some basis configuration.
Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Okay.
Hello?
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Hello Jyoti. See, SAP providing some standard material for SAP providing some standard material for CRM training. Okay. See, 1 minute. I'll open those documents.
Hello?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Now I can hear you. I think. Okay. Okay, fine then. Now I can hear you. See here, SAP providing some standard CRM material.
Like one by one, so that I can get a clear view of what I'm learning. Please, I'm drafting something.
Okay, fine.
Some part of something, and then some part of something, and then some part of something. That way, I'm not able to grasp anything of any part. So if you could just consider the one part and tell that to me, it will be okay. But at least I'll be able to understand that.
Okay, fine. See here, first I am going to covering CRM basics. Okay. Forget about now. So first thing I am going to cover CRM basics. Here in the CRM basics, I am going to covering these things. Okay. Here we have some fundamentals, CRM basic fundamentals. Yeah, these things I am going to cover. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Yeah, see, especially in the CRM basics, I'm going to cover account management, org management, product master, transaction processing, activity management, partner processing, then actions, then pricing, billing, middleware concept, web client UI. See, in the CRM 100, these things I am going to cover.
Okay.
This is I mean, not only for fresher, people who are working in the SAP, this is the mandatory. I mean, based on these things only, they are going to use this configuration in the applications like business transactions.
Okay.
Okay. See, in the account management means we can see, I mean, how they are going to create the account for any of the company, how they are going to integrate with the contact person with accounts. I mean, account may be sold to party, shipped to party, billed to party. In SAP CRM, everything is called as a business partners. Okay, so we can, in the account management, we are going to learn by using the accounts. So if you go to CRM website, we have here accounts. Okay, by using this, we are going to create a accounts. Okay, contact, employee, product, everything we are going to create by using these accounts. Okay, if you come to organization management, okay, see, organization management means, for example, if you implement any of the CRM project in the account management, so we need to understand the company org structure, which is the sales department, which is the service department, which is the marketing department. I mean, then after creating the org structure, then we need to find out the positions, then we need to assign employee to that position. So it will come under the org management. Okay. So then if you come to product master, for example, so you are going to creating a sales order or service order. Okay, we need to enter the product. Okay, for that product, in which sales organization or service organization we are going to distribute or you are going to sell that product. Okay, so for that product, what is the price? Because, for example, in the product master, if you want to sell same product in a different location, we have a different price, right? So for that, how they are going to differentiate based on the org structure. So those things customizing we are going to do in the product master. Okay. So then if you come to transaction processing is nothing but a business transactions. I mean, for a sales order, service order, marketing, everything it will come under the business transactions. Okay, when you create a business transaction, it's a mandatory to include product, at least one line item. Line item is nothing but a product master data. Okay, when you create a service order, org data is a mandatory. Then account is a mandatory. Based on these things, we are going to create a service order. Then this is the activity management. For example, activity management is just like a, for example, whatever the business, here we are going to maintain the activities. For example, if you want to meet any of the customers, okay, what is the status of the dealing with those customers, those kind of things. If you want to maintain, we can use the activity management. See here, next thing is partner processing. Okay, partner processing is nothing but, for example, if you are creating a order, service order or sales order, which are all the parties they are going to include? Sold to party, bill to party, shift to party, employee responsible, payer, buyer. So these are all we are going to include in our business transaction. Okay, so by using the partner function, we are going to include what are all the partners involved in our business transaction. So that can be covered in partner processing. Okay, see, next comes to action processing.
And the curriculum for CRM. But
Pardon me?
Really appreciating them. I understand that you're telling me about the different units. We're going to cover
hello,
it.
Hello. I am not able to hear you.
Are you
okay,
able
can
to
you
hear
type?
Me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay. So what I'm saying is that you are telling me about the different units and what things are done in that unit. But if you pick one unit and just tell me
hello,
something very
can you mute your volume? Can you mute your volume?
My volume?
Yeah, just you have to reduce your volume. I am not able to hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Hello. Now I can hear you.
What I'm saying is that what you're telling me is about the different units that we are going to cover and what will be their outcomes as in what we will be learning. If you could just pick one unit and tell me just briefly about how do we do that?
Yeah, Jyoti, do one thing. Do one thing. Just type your question in the chart list. So, yeah, okay, Jyoti, now what I will do, I am going to creating a one account. Okay, see here, for example, here we have a account management, right? In the account management, I am going to creating a one account. Okay, see, come here. Now, I will cancel this. Now what I will do, so by using the account management, I am going to creating a one account. Here in the account we have a three types of account. One is for corporate account, one is for individual account, one is for group account. So now individual account for individual employee. For any of the company you are going to create an account means we can go for corporate account. For example, especially if you go for any of the corporate company, we have a team. So we are going to create an account for any of the team or any of the group, we can go for group accounts. So now I will create one individual account. Okay, in the individual account you can give any of the name. So I will give my name. Okay, now after entering all this data, okay, after entering all this, okay, now after entering this data, see here, okay, I mean for that account, if you want to make, okay, if you have any first name, last name, you can maintain here. Okay, here we can maintain the academic title or titles, you can maintain here. So here we can maintain any of the language. Okay, so you can maintain any postal address, you can maintain here. Okay, after that, see here, after, okay, see, but okay, this is employee responsible, means it's a login user. Okay, I mean the employee ID is coming from who is going to creating this account. It means to say this is the login user ID. Okay, so how to create the employee responsible means I will tell you later. Okay, now I mean the employee responsible means this is the person responsible for creating this account. Okay, now for regarding this account, if you want to maintain any notes here, you can maintain here. Okay, okay, okay. Especially in SAP CRM system, for creating the account, after creating the account, you need to assign any of the role. Without role, it's a business partner, it's a dummy. We are not able to use anywhere. For example, I am creating one individual account. So after creating this account, I am going to maintaining one sold to party role. For example, sold to party. So sold to party, we can use this role while creating any of the business transaction like sales order or service order. If you want to create any order, we can use this sold to party. So after that, see here, for this sold to party, you want to maintain. For example, he is going to buy the sales, any of the product in which organization. So here we need to maintain the sales area data. Okay, here you can select any of the existing sales area data. For example, I am going to select US sales service. Okay, so now once you select this data, automatically it will come sales data, organization data. We need to pick this also. I am going to select the sales general data. This is the, this coming from the configuration data. Okay, internet group 1. If you want to select this tick, you can select, otherwise it is not a mandatory, leave it as it is. Okay, see, for this business partner, after maintaining organization data, we need to maintain billing information like, okay, what are all the mandatory fields you can maintain. See here, if you want to, for this account, if you want to maintain any billing information like okay, I usually go for standard SAP standard billing standard. Okay, you can select any of, okay, everything, exchange type, how you are going to exchange, how you are going to dealing with the bank, or we need to maintain this exchange type and all. Currency, for example, what type of currency, you are going to dealing with USD or INR or AED, you can maintain currency type here. Okay, here terms, okay, terms, payment type of terms. To say, okay, payment, terms of payment means how you are going to pay to the, you are going to pay. We need to, this is the customizing data. We need to maintain this one. Okay, customer price group. Here we have a different types of customer price group we need to maintain. Is going to bulk buyer or new customer or occasional. We need to maintain the customer pricing group, because based on this group only, is a, bulk buyer is a regular customer, means we have to give some pricing discounts and all. So for that it will be useful. Okay, so now this is the basic data we are going to create. Okay, then if you click back button, it will come to the overview page. You can save this partner. So now this is called as an account with sold to party role. So now we can use this business transaction, for example this one, while creating any of the order. This is one of the master data. Okay, now for example, after creating this sold to party, we can use this sold to party while creating any of the orders. Okay, just you have to click on this new button. So these are all the transaction type. You can select any of the transaction type. Okay, here we need to enter the sold to party. Once you enter this, see, it will come automatically.
Okay. What was the number that you entered?
So now, a number just now I created, right?
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah, this is the number. Just now I created this number. This is the sold to party number. Just now I created. No, just you can cancel this. I'll show you. If you go to accounts, you can see that number. If you give account ID here, this is the account ID I created now.
Okay.
Why, I don't know why it's not navigating. See, if you click on this navigation, it will take you to the overview page of this account. Okay, so now we can use this account number for creating any of the sales order or service order. Okay, and one more thing, whatever you are going to do in this UI, we can do same thing in at the back end also. For example, here for creating the account, we have a transaction called BP for business partners. What you did here, we can do the same thing here also. See, for example, here we can see that business partner. Yeah, see here. Here we can see address. We are not maintaining any address, but we created the business partner with sold to party role.
Okay.
You can see sold to party role here. We can see sales area for this what we maintained here. Organization data. If you want to maintain here, so at the back end we can use the GUI screen for whatever we did in the UI level. Okay, but SAP says don't use this because SAP providing the dynamic applications for CRM website. You can do whatever you want here itself. So we can use this business partner for creating any of the order. So this is how we are going to create the master data. I mean, this is the search page. If you want to search any of the master data, we can search here. Okay, based on the sold to party. Yeah. I don't know why it is not navigating. There is some configuration issue here. Okay. So now, hello Jyoti. Now I am going to stop. If you are interested, you can join. Otherwise,
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Okay, Prakash. Thank you very much. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, see, this is a demo class. I am with hurry with some other things. That's why I'm doing things very faster. Okay, just you can take your own decision. Then you can join. Other else, if you get any other good trainer outside, you can join there. No problem. Okay. So I mean, this is what I am going to say. These things I am going to cover.
I got
Okay.
it. I got your point. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, I mean, if you try somewhere else, if you get a good trainer, you can join, no problem. Okay, so now I'm going to stop. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.